If you thought today's rain was a little bit unusual, it certainly was. If we take a look here in Weslaco since 1981, that's when I started keeping records here at our studios. Let's look at the three rainiest days. 7.61 inches on September 30th of 1985, and then back in October of 2015, we had almost 10 inches of rain. Today, 11.04 here at our studios. Rainiest day we've seen here in Weslaco as long as I've been here, since 1981. It was a very wet day, and now there's more rain out there. This is what it did. Alicia Rodriguez sent us this from the corner of Whitmer and Sinclair here in Weslaco, and of course this scene repeated all across the valley and continues to be repeated. A new flash flood warning now just issued for this portion of Cameron County that we've been talking about for a while, that was expiring at 6:15. Now it expires at 8:15 because it's still raining in the same area, and that's the problem. If you've already gotten 6 inches of rain yesterday, last night, and this morning, now you get 3 or 4 more, and boy, flooding happens just like that, and that's the issue. So we go a little bit closer into Brownsville now, and you can see the rain is going right across the city, and it just continues to move south to north. Some of the same areas get rained on over and over and over again. This is a 1-hour loop, and right where my hand is, it's been raining for that hour, and there's still plenty more to come. So you end up with a lot of rain. So again, that warning in effect until 8:15. There's also a flood watch in effect until tomorrow at 1 o'clock. That for the whole valley. We go a little bit farther to the north from Los Fresnos to Bayview, Latina, Arroyo City's up here at the top of the picture. That rain going right through that area as well, so that warning includes that area. We go to Willacy County. No more warnings there because all the rain has moved offshore, so no warnings for Port Mansfield anymore. And then back in Hidalgo County, we still have the flood advisory, the flood warning for the southeastern part of the county over to Mercedes from all the rain that fell last night and this morning. You get up to 11 inches of rain. And finally, there's more to the north. It's all kind of spinning around this storm system, so the potential for more rain continues to exist. This is a map showing where rain fell, or rain has fallen in the last 18 hours, so basically since midnight. And you see the swath from south of Rio Grande City right up through the Mid-Valley and then up into Willacy County and right along the coast. Just a few of the totals. Right there in Weslaco, 11.3 is what the Doppler estimates, and again, our gauge here 11.04, so pretty close to that. Some totals of 7 to 8 inches up around Port Mansfield. Some of the totals in Mexico must be huge as well because big time rain just south of the river. Notice how it blew up, kind of settled down again. Now it's blowing up again, and there is potential for some more big time rain tonight and tomorrow because the system causing this is still sitting there. And because it's still sitting there, there's potential for more. Notice how once one thunderstorm gets going, this one over here, boom, it just explodes, and the clouds just kind of spread out across the rest of the valley. Watch Future Track. This is what it does. Takes all this stuff tonight and kind of rotates it around and around and around the upper air low that's still, by early in the morning, sitting just to the north of us, and it continues to push more rain in. Let's go forward. Notice it just spins through tomorrow morning. Finally, by tomorrow afternoon, it starts to push away. And when that happens, the rain chances start to taper off. And by Friday, I think it's out of here. We're back to sunshine again. But we have to get from here to there first. And that may include a lot of rainfall along the way before we're completely done because the potential continues to exist. Now, this is just one model, but look what Future Track says will happen between now and tomorrow night. This is additional rainfall. Now, I wouldn't put these numbers in any one particular place like this does, but the idea is anywhere from 1.5 inches to maybe 6 more inches of rain in a few places. If that happens where there was 11 inches of rain last night, it's not going to be good. 70% chance of rain tonight and tomorrow. It tapers off tomorrow night. Friday, 20% at best, and Saturday, I think we go dry. Temperature's a little cooler today because of the rain. Here in Weslaco, our high was only 79 degrees, one of the cooler June days you'll ever see. So tonight, the flash flood watch remains in effect for all of the valley. It's in effect till 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Showers and storms still a very good possibility, about a 70% probability. That goes for tomorrow as well, although I think the best chance is up through late tomorrow afternoon. That system finally moves away and the chances should begin to die down after that. If you're lucky, you'll get to 88 tomorrow. A lot of places may not get that warm. Friday, then, we're mainly dry. Can't completely rule out a shower. Saturday, partly cloudy, back to 93. Sunday, look at that, 95, 96 on Monday. And then spotty storms possible middle of next week, but nothing like what we're seeing tonight and probably again tomorrow. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.